trying this salad, trying this salad, salad. 3 regular raspberry jello, 1 1/4 cup hot water, 1 pound canned stewed tomatoes, 6 drops Tabasco sauce, 1 pint sour cream, 1 tablespoon horseradish, 1/2 teaspoon sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt. Dissolve jello in water, add ingredients and tomatoes. Pour into lightly oiled mold. Serve with sour cream topping. I blame